Green tea has a popular beverage in Asian cultures, and is now gaining popularity around the world. Not only is it a delicious and refreshing drink, but it also offers many health benefits. It has been proven to improve overall health and well-being and protect against certain diseases. Here are some reasons why green tea is good for you. Number 1. Antioxidant properties. Green tea contains catechins, an antioxidant that may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 2. Weight management. Caffeine and catechins in green tea may help increase metabolism and fat burning. Additionally, green tea may help reduce appetite, leading to a lower calorie intake. Number 3. Heart health. Some studies suggest that green tea may help to reduce your LDL cholesterol. This will help decrease heart disease risk and improve blood vessel function. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may help protect against certain types of cancer, such as lung, prostate, and colorectal cancer. Number 5. Diabetes management. Studies have found that green tea consumption may improve insulin sensitivity, which can help manage blood sugar levels in those with diabetes. Overall, incorporating green tea into a healthy diet and lifestyle may offer a range of potential health benefits. However, it is essential to note that green tea should not be relied on as a sole prevention for any health condition. The best temperature to brew green tea is around 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Brewing green tea at this temperature helps to preserve the nutrients. It also prevents the release of too many bitter compounds that can affect the taste.